Welcome to another video of the Science Attitude. If you are new on the channel, so please subscribe the button and hit the bell icon so you can be notified about each new video of the Science Attitude.
Spiderweb. A spiderweb is a structure created by spiders using their silk. Spiders use their silk for a variety of purposes, including web building, prey capture, and as a safety line when moving around. Spider webs come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and different species of spiders use different web building techniques. Some spiders build orb webs, which are circular webs that are used for trapping flying insects. Other spiders build cobwebs, which are irregular webs that are used for both trapping prey and providing a home. Spider webs are incredibly strong and elastic. They are made up of several different types of silk, each with its own unique properties. For example, some types of silk are sticky and are used to trap prey, while others are stronger and are used to anchor the web to a surface. Spider webs are fascinating structure, and scientists are studying them to learn more about the properties of spider silk and to develop new materials that mimic its length and flexibility.